I can't believe we dedicated 13 hours of drive time to spend only 300 minutes on site at this house. Most people are not willing to do that, but we did it because we wanted to show you guys live on site what we're going to be doing to this co-living house. You guys have followed me to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I just bought this house yesterday. Come with me because we're going to be doing something different with this house. We're not buying it to fix and flip. We're not buying it to do a normal, boring, long-term rental, right? This house, we're actually going to be doing co-living. Okay, so come in real quick. What is co-living? Co-living is basically rent by the room, right? So the unfortunate part is sometimes you have to make sure math works out. So most homes have 4 bedrooms, 2-bath home. Well, guess what? This house is very close to that. So we are going to be renting it out as based on rent by the room to help with affordability. Okay, so once we rent it out by the room, they share the common spaces like the kitchen, the bathrooms, but they get their own private bedroom. And all the utilities come included. So if we're renting, in every area it's a little bit different, but $700, $800, $900 a month, but that includes internet, all utilities. You can't beat that, guys. Life is getting expensive. Now, why does this house work for this type of model? Let me go over that real quick. There's a hallway right here, and there is 4 bedrooms and 2 baths down that hallway. Okay, that's a great start. Now, off to the side here, this is a big dining room. Okay, well, what are we gonna do? We're gonna split it into 2 more bedrooms. So that's 6. Come with me. Pass through the kitchen. Another bedroom here. And another bedroom at the end of that enclosed patio. So now we're talking 4 bedrooms originally, 2 more is 6, 7, and 8. So that is an 8-bedroom minimum in this house. Could we possibly get more? Maybe. That people are going to live here. So that is why this model works. You need to have enough square feet and where you can enclose some living space that you don't need anymore, right? They're going to be sharing the kitchen and the bathrooms. We're just looking to help people get affordable living. That's why this one works. What does that mean for Albuquerque? Well, co-living is not just happening in Albuquerque. I own co-living in Arizona, in Tennessee, in Georgia, and lots of different states because guess what? Interest rates are at an all-time high. Rents are at an all-time high. If you're right next to somebody, look at them and ask them, hey, how are your expenses doing? Every single person is going to say all-time high. And we got to start doing something about it. And that is what we are doing here. Co-living, rent by the room. Look it up. What does it mean for Albuquerque specifically? It just means more affordable housing, right? So rather than, well, we definitely don't want anyone living on the streets, right? Or what are they comparing it to? Maybe living with family just in a bedroom. That's very similar, but maybe they need a little more independence, right? But what they're really comparing it to is trying to go get an apartment, right? That's going to cost you $1,600 a month or more for a 1-bedroom. That's crazy. Other parts of the country could be even more. Or you could spend $700 to $900 per month, all inclusive, guys. So for Albuquerque specifically, we're going to be able to help a lot of people. And the more we do this, the more that the city, the state, everyone gets involved and wants these to be in place because they know affordable living is a real problem. Do you think co-living will work where you are at? If so, leave me a comment below on yes, no, and where you're at.